A cross-section of a right triangular prism is created by a plane cut through the 2 points shown and is also perpendicular to the opposite base. What is the most specific name of the shape representing the cross-section? So here, I think the best way to answer this question is to draw in the plane. So the plane, it tells us, goes through these 2 red dots. So I'm going to draw lines that go through the 2 red dots and that are perpendicular to the opposite base. And I'm going to show that they're perpendicular right here. Remember, perpendicular lines and planes create right angles. So now if you look, I've created a rectangle because we know rectangle has all congruent right angles. So when you draw in the plane that goes through those 2 dots and you draw in the right angles, you can see here that we have created a rectangle.